Hello everybody! Today I'm going to be making a new light bulb testing rig for the workshop. I want to test this light bulb right here. So I need to come up with something where I can have something kind of semi-permanently mounted where I can do some light bulb test. So I had this just sitting around in the workshop. I happen to have a power cord, so let's get something put together here. Definitely the safety third way. I think we're going to have a little bit of a tight fit here. So we're going to get out the vintage Dawn dishwashing soap from the 80s and see if we can get that to fit in there a little easier. If not, I'll just have to source a different cord. That's going in. There. That should work. And got my knot tied. That should be adequate. Not going anywhere. I guess I could go ahead and tin those leads. Let's go ahead and tin the leads on these wires. Probably should have busted out the soldering gun for this. That should work. Let's get this wired up. Center tap I want to be with the writing, and then the neutral, the ribbed. And the center should be right here, the brass colored screw. And then the neutral. I think this is a three-way switch, but it'll be good enough for testing purposes. If I can get that on there. That should work. Can double check everything before I finish assembling. There's the center tab. And the outer tab. Wired correctly. Go ahead and stab that in there like that. I think that would be a little better. And that snapped right on in there. So now I got to figure out a mounting place for this. Alright, there's my test rig for E26 bulbs. And it is a 3-way switch. But that's good to go. Perfect for testing, and perhaps adds a little extra light there. So that little project is done. So once again, making a light bulb testing rig. Thank you for watching.